Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to create lipstick bar chart in Power BI. So for this, we'll go on the canvas of Power BI, click on Get More Visuals. Right down here, lipstick bar chart. Click on this. Press Add. So this app will appear in the visualization. Click on it. Now in the category, pick up the category. First value, sales. Second value, profit. Let's swap the position to get a better view. We will take the profit in the first value and sales in the second. Perfect. This is your lipstick bar chart. Still, I can add the third value also. Pick up the quantity and drop it into the third value. Right? Now hover a mouse on any bar and the information which will be displayed is category furniture, profit, sales, and quantity. This is how you can create lipstick bar chart in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share my videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.